Diogo Jota and Mohamed Salah scored the goals as Arne Slot's reign as Liverpool head coach began with a hard-fought victory over newly promoted Ipswich Town at a boisterous Portman Road. Portuguese forward Jota finished off a flowing Liverpool move involving Salah and the impressive Trent Alexander-Arnold shortly after the hour mark, side-footing the Egyptians' low cross past Ipswich goalkeeper Christian Walton. And it was 2-0 just 5 minutes later, Salah scoring from Dominik Szoboszlai's pass for his 9th opening day goal, a Premier League record. Arsenal got their Premier League campaign underway with a comfortable victory over Wolves at Emirates Stadium. Kai Havertz headed in a first-half opener for the Gunners from Bukayo Saka's cross from the right, with the England forward adding their second after the break with a powerful left-foot shot into the right corner after the visitors were caught out by a quickly taken free kick. Brighton's young manager Fabian Hürzeler started his Premier League career with an impressive win that meant Everton began their final season at Goodison Park in miserable fashion. The venue has been Everton's home ground since 1892, but they will move to a new stadium at Bramley Moor Dock for the start of next season. 31-year-old Hürzeler became the Premier League's youngest ever permanent manager, and his Brighton side were in no mood to provide any sentiment towards the opposition. Joelinton's goal secured a hard-fought opening day victory for 10-man Newcastle over newly promoted Southampton in an ill-tempered match at St James Park. A dreadful pass from Saints goalkeeper Alex McCarthy gifted the ball to striker Alexander Isak, who set up Brazil midfielder Joelinton to score with Newcastle's only shot on target just before half-time. Antoine Semenyo's late goal snatched a point for Bournemouth, as they came from behind to hold Nottingham Forest on the opening day. Chris Wood swept home the Forest opener in the 23rd minute after Cherry's goalkeeper Nito parried a Ryan Yates shot to his feet. It followed a broken ankle to their Brazilian midfielder Danilo, who was taken off on a stretcher after a challenge with Semenyo. Bournemouth, who had a goal disallowed in the first half, were much improved in the second half and leveled as Semenyo bundled home from close range when Forest failed to properly clear a cross. The visitors thought they had equalized earlier when striker Dango Ouattara smashed in following an intricate short corner routine, but Lewis Cook was ruled to have been just offside in the build-up. Substitute John Duran scored a late winner as Aston Villa opened their Premier League campaign with victory at West Ham. Duran latched onto Jacob Ramsey's pass and slotted the ball into the bottom corner with 11 minutes remaining, a few weeks after the striker was reportedly the subject of 2 failed transfer bids from the Hammers. Amadou Onana had opened the scoring minutes into his Aston Villa debut when the Belgium midfielder was left unmarked in the box to head home Youri Tielemans' corner after 4 minutes. West Ham got back into the contest before the break when Matty Cash was adjudged to have fouled Thomas Soucek after a tangle in the box. Lucas Paqueta stepped up and slotted the resulting penalty into the bottom left corner with his stuttering run-up, causing Emiliano Martinez to dive the wrong way. However, Duran had the final say as Villa eventually made their dominance pay. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.